Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the awesome features on WhatsApp WAWPRO, right? Today, we're going to be talking about how to grab group members from a WhatsApp group. Open the WhatsApp WAWPRO app, then click on Grab Now. It will redirect you to your WhatsApp web page. Make sure it is installed. Next, click on Start Grabbing. You can see all of these groups here. If you want to start grabbing the group members, guys, click on one of them, select it, and click Save. This will save it to your computer file successfully. Make sure you save it in a place where you won't get confused or mistake it for another video. Then, once you've done that, open up that file. You're going to go to where that file downloaded and saved, okay? And then, you're going to open up the Excel sheet. Super easy, guys. Here are all the notes. These are all the members we just grabbed. Alright, look how easy that was to get to. It's super easy to get involved with this. Now guys, what you want to do with that is use one of our WhatsApp number filters to filter through the numbers that we've just grabbed. Open the WAWPRO apps again. In the WhatsApp number section, click on Start Now. Next, click on Upload Excel. So we're going to upload the Excel file that we just saved. Alright, super easy. Upload that one. That's why I said, make sure it's saved in a place that you can find straight away. Once you've uploaded that, you will see all of the group members' contact numbers listed here. You can simply change the delay settings to whatever you want. I keep it to the recommended settings. If your initiation is already done, you want to click Start. Okay, see that status shows running. This is free to save, 100% completely. So I can show you what it looks like. That will open up your save folder. Please save this in a special place as well, okay? Once it's in a place where you can find it easily, you'll see which ones are available and which ones were not available. Luckily, we've got every single one available, which is fantastic. This does happen pretty much all the time, but there will be times where it's a fake number that is not available. Guys, it's super easy. Alright, you've got all these numbers that we've now just filtered. Literally, you can get hundreds in seconds, guys. Once you've got it, simply what you've got to do if you want to use the next part of the feature. If you want to go onto WhatsApp WAWPRO and get involved. Alright, go to that website. Read about us in this video. I've got the voices of 5,700 active customers. It's an awesome feature, an important contact book and messages, personalized messages. We talk about more on this channel. Alright, the total message number generates group contact. Send the report. I actually go through every single one, and it's all for a low fee of $9.99 for 7 days, $49.99 for a one-time lifetime fee. That's a full license. Guys, get involved right now with the link. Thank you so much. Would you kindly do me a massive favor? Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you next time.